Today is May the 31st, 2021. I finished this wishing well finally yesterday on May the 30th. My final task was hooking up the plumbing system, fixing the bird bath so it would no longer leak, and connecting the solar panels so that this pump and water dribbling out of the wooden bucket would work. So I will try not to shake this. It's shaking, oh well. So this is the finished wishing well. And I used the lid of a plastic trash bin to serve as the bird bath. It was bigger and shallow enough. And I've got a pipe running into the tilted bucket so it pours water into it and then dribbles out into the wishing well, or into the bird bath. There's a reservoir down below that holds water, and there's a drain here that drains the water back into the reservoir, so it's a circuit and keeps circulating. Here at the back is some of the tubing for the water and the cables for the electrical. On top is my solar panel. Initially I thought I was going to use a battery saver solar panel, the kind that they're small, 12 volt, and you put on the dashboard of a car just to plug into the power source just to recharge the battery. And I had one, but when I tried it, didn't put out enough wattage to run the pump, so I had to resort to this bigger solar panel that I had. It's a leftover from when I owned my trailer. And it's supposed to put out 15 watts. However, I've had that thing since the mid-80s, I think, so who knows how much it puts out. Actually, the early 90s. A couple of interesting things I learned about this whole setup is, first of all, the solar cell is pointed to the east. So in the morning, if it's a sunny day, the pump or the bucket starts draining immediately. However, if it's a cloudy day like it is today, if it gets too cloudy, the solar cell no longer powers the pump. Well, same on a rainy day. At about 4:15, the Earth is rotated enough that the sun is starting to get into the western side, and when it reaches about 4:15, the angle is such that it's no longer hitting the solar cell. So again, there's no power. So it's rather an interesting phenomena, but that's okay. I don't care if it works intermittently. It is working now as I envisioned it, and it'll pump now and again. Now my big thing is, how do I attract birds? I bought a block of suet. I'm going to hang that up on the corner, and I hope that maybe that'll attract some birds. We'll see. Maybe just the sound of the water will attract birds. However, that is my finished wishing well. Yesterday I also anchored it to the tree trunk. I drilled holes and put in large 10-inch nails and drove them through the through the landscape ties and into the tree trunk below. So it's very solid now. Winds will not knock that thing over. Hurricane might, but winds won't. Anyway, that's it. The end.